Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to integrate MailChimp with ClickFunnels 1.0, 2.0 as well. So first of all, let me show you how to do it with 1.0. So from your MailChimp account, you need to click on your account icon in the bottom left and select profile. So once you select profile, go to extras right here, and then you can go to API keys. What we will need to do is we'll need to scroll down and create an API key. So do that, copy your API key once you're done right here. And now you need to integrate MailChimp with ClickFunnels. From your ClickFunnels, go to your account settings here, and then you go to integrations, and then you can add a new integration. Once you're adding a new integration, you can click MailChimp or search for MailChimp, click on MailChimp, and then you can enter the integration nickname, your API key that you just copied, so paste it right here, and click add integration. Now if you have any other questions besides that, comment down below. Now with ClickFunnels 2.0, it's a little bit different, right? As you can see, if we go here to settings, you'll actually see integrations on the left side, and you will be able to do that as well. Now for me, I don't have integrations currently, so I cannot do that. And yeah, you will also have right here marketing, and then here you'll have workflows and stuff like that, but this is just for the marketing purposes. But yeah, keep in mind, you can just go to settings and integration. If you don't have integration, that means that you're still in trial. I'm still in trial, so I cannot do integrations, obviously. But yeah, integration should be on this side right here. So that's basically how to integrate MailChimp with ClickFunnels. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.